All right, playground area with a mini putt. It's the only 9 golf course, and in the back, the slides. Honestly, I really like them. There's a couple, and they're really fast. The orange one is a quick drop. I'm going to go film it right now. Really cool, really fast for a cruise ship. I mean, I really liked it. And just before I go film that, as you can see, there's the roller coaster. It's the last day of the cruise. I haven't seen the roller coaster running once. It might be because it's broken, or because it's expensive, because it's, I think, something like $15 US for a very short ride. But it's probably broken because I haven't seen the thing once. Anyway, the slides are right behind me here, and there's a little nice hidden spot on the top deck right by the racetrack. So you got the racetrack there, very quiet, not like Serenity, but maybe more quiet, with a nice view. Look at that. Some more playground area with the parkour for the kids or adult, and basketball tournament where you also have a soccer tournament. Some more games, and ping pong, baby foot table, right by the main pool. Let's go there. All right. Main pool area in the back, in the middle of the ship. Look around. It's only 8 in the morning, so not much people here, but lots of towels. Okay, I've heard in the back, in the best spot, 7 in the morning was completely full of towels. So chair reservation. Be early. All right, I'm walking through the Geisberger joint, which is closed at this time, 8 in the morning, open at 12. And at 12, you will have a big line, a big line. The thing is, if you wait at 12:30, there's probably 4 or 5 people in the line. Really good burger. Geisberger, awesome. Everybody loves it. I suggest, for me personally, the ringer. The ringer, really good. Look around. We're getting ready for a big day. It's last day of the cruise. Check that out. The menu. Club O2. If you come cruising with kids, I mean teens. I think it's 17 years old to 15. So they go there, they're gonna have games, book, Xbox or that kind of thing that teens like. So I'm not allowed to go there, but I gave a peek through the window. When I was there, nobody was playing games, nobody was doing anything. All the teens, they were all on their phone. Come on, guys, it's time to cruise. You're on a cruise ship, you're not at home. We're going to Serenity, adult calm spot. But just before, for you, They play movie there at night. And last night, I think, was Barbie movie. So that's Serenity. The pool you see there, that's loft 19. I think you need to be diamond. I'm gold. Street eat just by the main pool. Lots of choice. On the other side, the Blue Iguana, you have Mexican food. You got the bars on the other side, close to the buffet, close to everything. More noisy, but if you want to party, that's the right place. Lots of people. Only one spot, but it's a really, really nice place. If you like fried chicken, that's the place. Big Chicken from Shaquille O'Neal. We're going to Pigs and Anchor, next to the guest service and a carnival shop. Best pub on board. They do their own beer, and that's the pub. You also have the sports bar right there. Outside, a couple of jacuzzi, some games. And there, some band that play music, really good music at night. Pulled pork, fan of pulled pork? There are stations like this everywhere for coffee. Deco Deli, good sandwiches. Pizza, free pizza, almost 24 hours. At night, if you get a little hole after your big dinner, lots of people there. Cucina del Capitano if you want Italian. Supposed to be free if you go once. After that, $8 extra. Not too bad. Hello, hello. Pixel to buy your photo. Order to print. I have a nice 360 to do here because you got a bunch of everything. So we're coming from there, a couple of shops, the things about your photo called Pixel. So if we turn around, in the back you're gonna have jewelry stuff, and you know, it's a really nice spot. It's 3 floors. So you're gonna have bonsai sushi, nice sushi, teppanyaki if you wanna eat like Chinese food that they do in front of you. And on the other side, you have the Grand Central. Havana bar. If you like Mexican, there's shebang. All right, I'm by the main theater, which is on the other side. You have the entry of the casino. So just one thing, the casino is split in 2 sides. One smoker side, one non-smoker side. And this side, if you look up front, the right side is smoker side. And during the show yesterday night, those doors were open, and during the show, the door of the Grand Theater was open. So everybody on the right side got smoked. So if you're not a smoker, everybody was pissed. So Carnival, please close your doors or keep the smokers inside your casino spot for smoker, please, because everybody was pissed. But it was full, so they couldn't change. Because the shows are good. Shows are good. All right, just a quick tips about this area here. If you see a show that you really want to see, like the circus was really cool, the violin and song day was really cool. So this spot is really popular, almost more than the main theater. I mean, 1 hour before the show, almost all the good places gone. People comes here early with a drink, play games, and wait. So now you know. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now it's the room tour. You need to click on the link or look on my channel. It's right there. We have a balcony room. Really great price. Carnival Celebration. Really, really nice. And Carnival Mardi Gras is a sister ship. And you got Carnival Jubilee, which is coming next year. Another nice ship. Really, really great cruise for a good price. Nice service. I found compared to other Carnival cruises I've made, it's really, really nice. Prices has increased. Be aware of that. But I mean, it's probably because of COVID, like everything in the world. The only thing is, I mean, we did prepaid gratuities, but they've put this thing called service charge, which is just another kind of gratuities. Even though you prepaid that, you're gonna have to pay that anyway. So if you see a drink at $12, it's probably gonna be more like $14.50. So just be aware for your budget. But anyway, I mean, it's like that for every kind of cruise, Royal, and they're all like that. So I don't care. As soon as we know, hey? But really, really nice ship. We're having a great time. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. A lot more coming. Like I said, if you want to see the balcony room, just check on my channel or the links. And I appreciate you guys coming here. Now it's time for me to go for a drink at the pool. Bye, everyone.